Chapter 9 Ray Optics, Refraction of Light. So, what is the refraction of light? The phenomenon of change in the path of the light as it passes from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. So, dear students, let us we take that this is the medium of separation. This is a medium 1. Okay, this is a medium 1. This is a medium 2. So this is let us we take that this is whatever it is. So when a light falls on this medium, this is a second medium, this is a first medium. When this light falls on the interface, this line is an interface of these two medium. This line is called as a incident ray. This light is a incident ray. Okay. So at the point of intersection, at this point, so we have to draw a one normal line. So this is a normal line. So this normal line is from the point of intersection. Along this normal has to be drawn perpendicular to the interface surface. This is a normal line. Then what will happen? The path of the light will be bent towards or away from the normal. That is the definition says that the phenomenon in the change in the path of the light travels only in straight line. But when the light enters from one medium to another medium, there is a change in path. This ray is called as a refracted ray. This ray is called as a refracted ray. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called as the angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the refracted ray is the angle of refraction. So very simple. Refraction of light means light enters from one medium to another medium. There is a change in the path of the light. Now we will take that what will happen when the mediums are taken as a denser and a rarer medium. Here what we have to take that this is a air medium. Okay, this is a water medium. So when the light enters from air medium to water medium, that is a air medium is a rarer medium. Water is a denser. So water is denser than air molecules. So what is a denser than? Here the molecules are very closer than that of molecules in the rarer medium. Here the molecules are far apart compared to denser medium. Here the molecules are very closer compared to rarer medium. When the light enters from rarer medium to denser medium, here the molecules are far apart, so it is easy to travel. The light travels very easily in this medium. When it enters this medium, here the molecules are very closer, so it suffers more longer. So what will happen? The speed of the light decreases. The speed of light decreases due to the denser nature of the denser medium, that is a medium 2. The speed of the light decreases due to the molecules are closer. It is not easy for the light travels faster similar to the light travels in the rarer medium. Because the rarer medium the molecules are far apart, here the molecules are closer. This is the cause for changing the path of the light when the light enters from one medium to another medium. So this is a rarer medium to denser medium. What will happen when the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium? Let me take that this is a denser medium, this is a rarer medium. So here what is the observation? We found that the refracted ray will move towards the normal. The refracted ray will move towards normal. Moves towards normal. Normal line. Then what will happen when the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium? Here the molecules are very closer, so it is the molecules are very closer, it suffers longer. So what will happen? The incident ray will suffer lot in the denser medium. When it enters the rarer medium, the molecules are far apart. The molecules are not closer, it is a far apart. So then what will happen? The speed of the light increases. The molecules are far apart. So the speed of light increases. Speed of light increases. And hence, what will happen? The light will, refracted ray will move away from the normal. So it will move away from the normal. This is the reason why the light travels from denser to rarer medium. It will move away from the normal. This is an incident ray. This is a refracted ray. It will move away from the normal. This is moves towards the normal. Very simple, students. Understand the concept. What is the refraction of light from one medium to another medium? Next, we are going to see the laws of refraction of light.